What? What is that? How in the heck did you all fit in there? Anyway, that's beyond me. But hey, how y'all doing? I'm Brian with K.S.E Racing. Guess what we got? Boom! This is the plan for this summer, guys. We just got a couple more things to get. And, yep, 671 is going to go boom here on the Falkor. He's doing pretty good. We went out, won Idaho Truck Invasion's sport truck class, won a little bit of money on some bracket racings. Not bracket, it's grudge racings. What am I talking about? Jeez, I don't know. But anyway, won some money on some grudge races. And yeah, it was a lot of fun. We had some technical issues, but other than that, it was a good weekend. So I know I ain't posted in a while, so I figured I'd bring up a video of what we got going on, what the truck looks like. It's been a while since we've had her on the camera. Just been busy trying to keep everything going in. Do YouTube, it's tough, guys, it really is. But over the weekend when we were racing, we blew trans cooler line right here, split it, blew it right out. I know I don't have it done right, but we're gonna get that fixed. And so we ain't gonna have that issue again. We're also gonna move the trans cooler to behind the rear tires. So if that happens again, it's not spraying down the track and right underneath the rear as we're making a pass, because y'all know that makes for a slippery, no fun experience. But I got lucky, made the pass, let off. You'll see it in the GoPro footage. 360 was on there. You can turn around, we'll face it down. And right after we made the pass, we won the race, and everybody thought I blew my engine. Nope, we didn't blow the engine. We just had a little trans cooler leak. That's all. Went across the headers, oil underneath. And I was turning around, I noticed a big old spot in the road and big old line down the center. I'm like, well, what in the hell is that? So we look behind us and like, oh shit, that's me. Pull over to the side, do what we got to do, get Falkor back down to the pit so we don't oil down the track too bad. Didn't even have to stop racing. So hey, in my opinion, that was a pretty professional oiling of the track, if you ask me. But you know, that's just me. But yeah, a little bit more on the blower here. We got us the 671. We got dual Holly carb double pumpers, 650 CFM that will be feeding this bad boy. We do have a couple nitrous plates on here, so we'll have the scramble button with the nitrous. Good old nitrous express, you know. Got to have nitrous for the scramble. You got power on demand with the supercharger. Might as well have a little bit on the big end in case them turbo guys come creeping up on you, because we all know turbo guys, they're big end cars. But as long as we get out of the hole and keep in front of them, we're going to make them chase us the whole way. I tell you, the whole way. And just in case, we just go, psh, psh. We got that right there. But yeah, that's what we've been up to. We'll have the race here up pretty soon. Probably give me a week or so. We'll have that posted up for you guys. All the races of the Idaho Truck Invasion and just a couple other things that we've done in between. And but yeah, thanks for following along, guys. Appreciate all ya. Peace.